Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add the zoom effect in Canva videos. So right over here you're seeing this video right over here. So it's actually very simple. You just need to drag in your video and you need to right over here you need to right click on the video where you want to zoom in, and I've spotted this, and you need to press on split. Okay, once you press on split, what you have to do is just simply press on these options, and right in between you'll see the option of split. So you gotta find the exact space between it. Okay, so right over here you gotta split everything out, okay, in between, and right over here you'll see an option of add transition right over here. Alright, so you need to press on transition option, just because it's not an actual video, but right over here you'll see add transition option and you'll see the option of zoom. So you need to basically zoom in on that specific part right over here like this. Okay, and once you zoom in, you'll see directly the option of adding transition. So you just gotta add your transitions to it and you're good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial helped you. I'll see you in the next one.